Hey there! Let's learn how to create text in Blender, give it some depth and convert it into a mesh. Super fast and easy. If you want the full mini class where we turn it into a pendant and export it for printing, the Skillshare link is in the description. And now, let's get into it. Select the cube by left-clicking, press X and delete it. If you like, press 1 on your numpad for front view. You can also use this little gizmo up here. Shift A and create a text object. With 7, you can change to top view or press the Z button in this little gizmo. You can zoom in with the mouse wheel a little bit, and with holding Shift and pressing the middle mouse wheel, you can pan left to right. Tap into edit mode, delete the current text and type your word. Then, in the settings for the text, you can choose a different font. Bold and simple works best. Thin scripts break hearts and printers. With Ctrl Z, you can always undo. Under the text geometry, you can add a little bit of extrude and a tiny bevel to soften edges. Then tap back to object mode, and you can now scale it roughly to the size that you want. You can see the size in the N menu under Dimensions, and you can scale with pressing S and moving your mouse. You can guesstimate this. You can change it later to make it perfect. Optionally, you can now duplicate a backup with Shift D and right-clicking immediately afterwards, and then hiding the backup. In this way, you can, if you like, later quickly add another word. When you're happy, right-click and convert to mesh. Now we converted the word into a mesh, which means the letters are now proper geometry and you can't change them easily anymore by typing. You can confirm that this is now a mesh by switching to edit mode, and you will see the mesh appear. Add a remesh modifier under the blue wrench symbol. This helps to get rid of any mesh problems after converting the letters to a mesh. Simply make the numbers slightly smaller until the mesh looks nice. I've used 0.01 for voxel size and 0.01 for adaptivity, but you can also try 0.005 for voxel size. Don't worry about the exact numbers, just make sure the surface looks relatively smooth and without any major imperfections or deformations. If you want the full pendant build, backing, bail, booleans and export, the full class is on Skillshare. Link below. See you there.